How do I fit the Aircast A60? Before applying the brace, make sure you're wearing socks for a friction-free and comfortable fit. To apply the Aircast, simply slide your foot into the brace toe first. Use the pull tab to the rear to help position your heel comfortably in the opening. Next, close the tabs tightly around the top of the ankle. Wrap the strap firmly around the foot in a figure of 8 motion, feeding it through the Velcro opening attached to the outside stabiliser. Thread the strap through the plastic ring and fasten it securely onto the Velcro tabs. The plastic stabilisers should align with your ankle, running from the arch of your foot upwards. How do I know which size is right for me? The Aircast A60 is available in 3 different sizes, making selection easy and uncomplicated. Simply use your shoe size to determine whether you are a small, medium or large. Can I wear the Aircast A60 in any shoes? Thanks to its lightweight, slimline design, the Aircast A60 will fit comfortably in most shoes, including sports trainers, work boots and everyday footwear. How do I wash the Aircast A60? The entire A60 ankle support can be hand washed with mild soap in lukewarm water and air dried. Thanks to its breathable fabrics, it has an incredibly short drying time. If you have any other questions about the Aircast A60, let us know in the comments below. And for everything else, visit us at healthandcare.co.uk.